What's the meaning of backslapping? Backslapping. Backslapping.
Backslapping. Backslapping. Backslapping refers to a social behavior in which people display enthusiastic and congratulatory gestures towards each other, often through physical touch or verbal praise. It is typically associated with informal social settings such as a party or after-work gathering, where friends or colleagues may engage in the practice of backslapping as a way of expressing camaraderie and positive reinforcement. However, it can also have negative connotations if it is perceived as insincere or superficial, particularly if it is used to advance one's own interests or as a means of currying favor with others. Additionally, excessive backslapping can sometimes be seen as obnoxious or annoying by those who don't appreciate the practice.